sponsored by Brighton Tire. Mention my channel, Send It ATVs, for 10% off your next purchase. Welcome to another episode of Send It ATVs. People have been asking me about my GoPro mount setup. My early videos, I had the GoPro set up on the side of the helmet with whatever comes with the GoPro. I liked the look of that. It was a little unique compared to others because you could see the peak in my videos, which to me anyways gave you the feeling of more excitement of my head moving. You can feel it a little bit better, the head movement. The only problem with that on the side is that if you're in tight quarters with branches coming down, which can happen when you're ATVing, those branches could hit the GoPro and possibly ruin the GoPro. Also, because I had on the right side of the helmet, if I turned my head around to look behind me to see who was behind me if something happened, the GoPro wouldn't show it in the video at all. And there were a couple times things happened that I wish I had caught. This GoPro mount is made by Dango. It's called the Dango Gripper mount. I think they're out of Ohio. It is fantastic. It's a quick release. Boom. That's how fast to get it off. It is nice, very tight. It's with a spring loaded. Nice grip in there. And what's nice about this is, let's say you're riding with a buddy and he doesn't have a GoPro, but you want a different angle. You don't want an angle just from your helmet showing you going through a mud hole. You want a different angle of you coming out of the mud hole. Well, you can quickly take that off, hand him it, and he can videotape you, hands back to you, and boom, back on again. This cost $60 US, $80 Canadian. It is tough. It will not move. I go through some tough terrain with my mud tires, my machine shaking all over the place. I'm shaking all over the place. It's just fine. I highly recommend it. Please like, subscribe, and ring bell. And stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.